Hello explorers, today we are correcting ambiguous pronouns. Those sneaky little words that confuse the listener when it's unclear and what they refer to. For example, when Jack met Tom, he was very excited. The correct sentence is Jack was very excited when he met Tom. Otherwise, we left wondering who was excited, Jack or Tom. Next example I have for you. Maria told Anna she needed help. The correct sentence is Maria said that Anna needed help, or Maria said she needed help. Depending on the meaning, be very specific. Next I have for you, take the book off the table and put it on the shelf. It's broken. The correct is take the book off the table and put it on the shelf. The shelf is broken. Otherwise, we do not know whether the book or the shelf is broken. Clear pronouns make clear communication. Be precise and keep your listener with you.